Yesterday we were watching the trailer for Star Wars Rebels Season 2. I'm gonna have to keep it down because my nan's in the other room and she's very sick. So if I don't rage as much as I would normally.
Things are getting worse, just as they did back when I was
I
young.
swear to God, if anyone calls me, because
Then,
I've seen like
10,000 Jedi Knights protecting the
up
galaxy.
till
Now,
about 5 times, because I've tried recording so many times, but shit keeps happening. My battery goes down, Kanan in a stormtrooper suit, or someone calling me about bullshit. It's getting on my nerves. They said this video's cursed.
Mission accomplished.
Vader.
yes,
Sidious.
The rebels under the Fog system. Hunt them down as you wish.
Sounds a lot different. A-Wing.
Coming in at Mark 3. We've lost Phoenix 1 and 2. We will squeeze Lothal until someone reveals the whereabouts of these traitors.
For the good of Lothal, we have to leave.
They're even your fault.
If I tag along?
More the merrier.
So good.
Fighting alongside soldiers isn't what I signed up for.
What did you sign up for? Spectre 1. I just got one of the guns from the film. What the? What are they called? I've forgotten. Someone in the comments will probably tell me.
The fear. The anger.
Who's that?
The hate.
Who's that? Is that meant to be
I haven't
adventurous
felt
there?
presence like that since
The Clone Wars.
The Clone Wars. Guns.
My name is Rex. Captain. 501st Clone
There's an
Battalion.
all-twin tactical enforcer.
I fought with Commander Tano during the Clone Wars.
What? But I thought because of the growth acceleration he would be dead. That's why they started using all the stormtroopers, hiring new ones.
Everyone, hang on.
What? B-Wing. This Luke's boss. 80. Mondo. You're cold. And Atat. I think I can confirm that was Ventress. Captain Rex, yes. No Caius.
I hope you brought a better class of soldier than the stormtroopers.
Wow. Ah, there's a stormtrooper with a scar over his eye. That must have been Commander Wolf.
I'm not afraid. That's what worries me.
Please, fire Ahsoka. Please, fire Ahsoka. Oh shit. Wait, where's Kanan?
Your master has deceived you into believing you can become a Jedi.
Yep. Oh shit. Oh shit. 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 Oh, this season's gonna be boss. I'll tell you this now. You listen to me. This season is gonna be the best season. Peace out, buzz.